Hello friends. Bright sunflowers combined with the color of the flag of the United States on a wood slice painting. A wood painting for those who love sunflowers and are proud of the United States. Wood slice paintings are an ideal gift for Hogmanay, the New Year, Burns Night, St. Andrew's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and Thanksgiving, and also makes ideal gifts for birthdays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, christenings, and other special events. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.